Ayutthaya, 1767. A city on the brink of war. We came searching for answers, but some secrets are best left forgotten.
Ayutthaya,
Marcus,
1767.
I need a bathroom right now. I feel
war.
so incredibly
we came
sick.
searching for answers, but some secrets
There is an
best
alley up
left
ahead.
Forgotten.
We have to get out of here!
Can't believe we're actually
I can't
here.
breathe!
Molly, look out!
Hide that device.
Hide that device. Guards are coming.
Let's document everything that we can.
We are live in Ayutthaya.
The invading army is almost here.
No one believes us.
I can't believe we actually made it. Ayutthaya is absolutely beautiful.
Let's document everything we can. We are in the heart of Ayutthaya.
We must keep moving.
Something is about to happen. Watch out! Follow us for more updates. Molly, where are we going?
The siege has begun. We're actually watching the fall of
We are
Ayutthaya.
live in Ayutthaya. Look at the size of that army. We are in Ayutthaya, the Thaya.
The year is 1767. The siege has begun. My friends are trapped.
Molly, stay close to me.
I'm right here.
We have to keep moving. Watch out for the fire. Get down behind the wall.
Marcus, we must move forward.
We are still in Ayutthaya. The year is 1767. We are witnessing a moment history will remember. We are still in Ayutthaya. The year is 1767.
History is changing around us. People need help.
After everything we've seen, the kindness of these people is incredible. Even in difficult times, people still show kindness. These people welcomed us like family. We came here to see history, but now we are walking through it. We came here to witness history.
But now, we are part of the story.
This kindness means everything.
Sharing food is the Siamese way.
Okay, I have to ask. There is definitely a story here. May I ask your family name? It is Wat Phra Si. Where do you come from? I am from a distant future. Some stories travel farther than rivers.
Perhaps we were brought here for a reason.
We are sharing tea by the river. Please enjoy some hot tea. We are here in Ayutthaya. Sutin is showing us some ancient family artifacts. This connection between us is no coincidence. Our paths were always meant to cross. Enemy forces are approaching! Our conversation is not finished. We are live in Ayutthaya.
Marcus, look over there.
We are back. It is total chaos here.
Everyone, get to safety.
I cannot leave you. I am staying right here. We will face whatever comes together. We must reinforce this gate. Stand firm, everyone. They are crossing the river. We are under attack right now. We are under attack right now. We made it. I'm so glad you're safe. The past is never truly gone. Good morning from Ayutthaya in 1767. The local community is gathering here. Everyone is sharing in the warmth. Goodbye for now.
Unveil the truth behind the myth.